8.11 on page 170, we are told that we can learn how to use a discrete uniform distribution as a model for the probability distribution of the outcomes of certain experiments. And the probability distribution for the scores S on a single roll of the die A. Sometimes we could have a die that has 6 sides, and this is a regular die because the probability of showing a 1 is a 6th, the probability of showing a 2 is a 6th, all the way until the probability of showing a 6 is a 6th. This is an example of a discrete uniform distribution over the set of values from 1 to 6. It is called discrete because the values are discrete, and it is called uniform because all the probabilities are the same. All faces are equiprobable. Conditions for the discrete uniform distribution. We are being told that condition number 1, a discrete random variable x is defined over a set of n distinct values. Each value is equally likely. That means the probability of x is equal to small x. Each one of them has a probability of a 6th. And this one is for each x or for each s here. But because I've used x, let me continue using x there. What you're talking about, assuming that the number of times, it may not be having 6 faces. It might be have n faces. So the general thing is 1 over n, where n is the total number of the possible outcomes. In many cases, x is defined over the set 1, 2, 3, 4, because we have the set 1, the outcome number 1, outcome number 2, all the way to outcome number n. In such cases, the mean and variance are given by the following. For a discrete uniform distribution x over the values 1, 2, 3, all the way to n, for a discrete uniform distribution x over the values 1, 2, 3, all the way to n, the expected value of x is given by n plus 1 over 2. Please note that. And the variance of x is given by n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1, everything divided by 12. These are just formulae. You should understand them very closely to you and with you. Remember to use this formula. The values for x must be 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to n. They must be very discrete and following each other. All right.